I'm Paola and I am back. I decided to come here because for some reason I've been getting tons of messages from creators telling me,
"Oh, I saw your YouTube video. I want to know if you can help me."
Now, I want to tell you that video you probably saw was a year ago. I didn't have all the experience I have now, and I can tell you more from what I learned. Today, I'm just going to tell you that a paid account doesn't work. And why I want to start from this, it's because every time you girls ask me, hey, I'm not getting followers, I don't know how to grow, I paid accounts and I'm getting scammed, I'm not getting followers, it's because these girls have their account paid. If you are starting, you should never start with a paid account. Why? Onlyfans doesn't have discoverability or I don't know, visualability. You know that other social media have, that they can find you in different ways. The only way people can find your OnlyFans is they have the link to your OnlyFans. I want you to sit down. I want you to just see this from outside and I want you to think really cold, because a lot of things that I'm going to tell you probably are going to make you feel bad and they're going to be like, she's not right, why she's saying that, but I'm just telling you because after all I've seen, I don't have the most experience. I only have 2 years on something on OnlyFans and that's it, but I've been working on social media for years. First thing is, you need to understand that you are no one. Like, no one knows you. Why people will pay for you? Like, who are you? Why are you charging money to people to subscribe to your page if they don't know you, if you don't have anything, any story from before that is going to help these guys or these girls to pay you? They don't know you. Let's say I have this product right here that is really amazing, right? It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, you have everything you need in your life in this product, but I never tell you what is this product about. I don't show you anything. I don't go to places and explain you what is the product about. I just show you the product. This is it. This is all I have. I will tell you this will make you happy, and that's it. But you don't know what is this thing. So how are you going to buy something that you have no idea what it is just because you have money and you want to spend money? That's not how it works. And same with OnlyFans. You are a product and you have to sell yourself and use marketing strategies to make your money, because that's how all social media work. It's not just filming yourself, it's not just grabbing your phone and taking a picture. It's more than that. It's a lot of work behind that you need to understand. You have to sit down and focus on that. It's hard. It's like almost impossible. Keep in mind that only 1% of creators are living off OnlyFans. So you need to get in there. You know, majority of the creators don't make much money. If they make $500, that is a lot of money. So you need to keep that in mind. If you want to succeed, you need to be aggressive and smart. First thing you're going to do, if you are new and you're not getting sales and you are promoting yourself, you're doing share for share and you are not getting followers, is to set your account for free, and everything you think you can sell, remove it. If you want to attract more people, the best way is just to be nice. That's it. That's all you have to do. If you offer a lot of free stuff, a lot of discounts, a lot of stuff that call the attention of these people, they are going to be so thankful. They're going to be like, wow, she's different or he's different, whatever. And that is when they're going to start putting money. But you need to find out, who are you? What are you going to do? I highly recommend you to watch a lot of videos on YouTube about electronic marketing, because at the end, it's all about marketing. You need to figure out what is going to work best for your account. When you are starting on marketing on OnlyFans, you need to ask yourself, what thing of value I have to offer to these people? I have a naked body, I have boobs, if you're a guy, I have a dick or I have big booty. Okay, you're not the only one that have that. A lot of people have that. So what you have to offer? In my case, I have to offer a nice personality. That's it. I love my followers and I tell them every single day, and I offer them a real me. I offer them real conversations. I never ask them like, hey, can you buy this? Buy this. Why you haven't bought this? No. If they want to buy, they will buy. I don't have to push them. I do a little bit of like send my message at night. I always try to entertain them and keep them active, and that way they just will pay me because they like me, and they will buy my stuff because they like me and they're curious to see. So it's always good to try to bring that curiosity. It's amazing because they are going to be like, okay, so what is behind this? This is like a date site, so let's look at it this way. Have you ever hang out with someone, like a new boyfriend or a girlfriend, and you really want to see that person, but you have like that spice right there that you want to know what is this person, how this person looks without clothes, or how is that person going to be when it's with me? You know, you always have that curiosity, and play with that is really important when you're doing Onlyfans, because that is going to make these people be like, oh, I want to see more. What she has to offer, what is this thing that she's like giving me but she's not giving me enough? I always play with that. I always play you with, I'm going to give you a little bit, but I'm not going to give you everything. You figure it out if you want to see more. Another thing is the free messages. I know OnlyFans let you have the messages paid. It's just like, I don't know. If you have this product and you have a question about this product, just imagine that someone charges you every time you have to call customer service, or every time you want to know about the product. It's just going to be like, dude, I'm just going to someone else that doesn't charge me every single time for everything. That's just the way how I see it. Unless you're like really important that you get so many messages, I get it. But if it's just like you're starting, why would you do that? If you don't want to get spam from other creators, one, you can block them, or two, you can have a paid messages, but say on your welcome message that you are going to wait to check the person profile, because creators are annoying as fuck. I know I sound mean, but it's just, I get so many messages that I'm like, I just want to reply to my fans. They are important to me. More than just a mass message of a random creator trying to sell me their stuff. I talk to creators all the time. But if you sell me your stuff, I'm just like, dude, leave me alone. Another trick I use is I give them a lot for free. A lot of things for free. Give me a second. I just grabbed my phone. And if I'm talking to them like, hey, how are you? How was your day? What did you do today? I come randomly, take a picture of myself, like a little bit more showing. I'll show you the picture, like this. And just say whatever, and the picture looks like something like this. And you just like start a good conversation and do something and just spice it up a little bit. Then if they want a little bit more, you're going to grab your phone and you're going to make a video just touching a little bit yourself like this, but don't showing anything. You know, you have to tease, you have to play with that. That is going to give you, you know, you have to feel it, you have to have fun. That's the whole point. So if they can tell that you are having fun with them, they're going to fall in love and they're going to pay you for everything. Yeah, I have people, and I love them so much. This camera right here that I'm filming was a gift from a follower. This computer was a gift from a follower. That neon light and this thing right here, the blue, purple, this thing was a gift from a follower. I have another gift that is right here on the floor. And not everything has to be sexual. I always have normal conversations with them, because at the end of the day I understand they are real people and they have a life like me. They're not there just to, you know, watch porn and stuff. Porn is free online. Why are they there? Because they need a conversation. And I feel, because I'm a really lonely person and I need to talk, and being in OnlyFans helped me a lot to talk. So please don't be mean to your fans, especially because that's going to ruin your marketing. A lot of girls in there are already really mean, and that's a lot of the feedback I get from the guys. They say, you are not mean and you're not trying to sell me stuff over and over. You're just talking to me like you treat me like a normal person. I don't see them as weird people, because they are not. You know, it's like everybody watch porn. Everybody wants to have a little bit of attention. So be respectful with your followers. If they're not respectful with you, just block them. That's all. Before I leave, I need you. I'm going to make like a little conclusion. First, set your account for free. If you're new, no one knows you. They don't care about you. Truly, they don't. So you have to offer them something to make them pay. Second, be nice with the guys all the time. Third, have a marketing strategy. Always, for everything, every social media you do, you always need a marketing strategy. You are not going to succeed if you don't have a strategy behind you, if you don't know where it's coming tomorrow. I usually have 2 weeks ahead of work already scheduled. I will teach you that in another video if you want to know. I also want you to study a lot about electronic marketing online. If you can, just go watch videos, leave it as a podcast, and trust me, that's going to help you. I've been doing that for years, and that's how I've been making my social media grow. If you have a question, let me know. I'm going to read the comments right here. Thank you so much for watching. On the other videos, I was saying that if you use my referral account, oh my god. And the other, I forgot what I was saying. And the other videos, I was saying if you use my referral account, I will give you a help or something. I don't even know, because I made that video a year ago. I was never expecting people to watch it. I wanted to do it, but I was like, whatever. It didn't work, so I moved on with something else. Now it's working. I don't know if I'm going to do that because I am fucking busy, for real. But if you text me, I'm definitely going to help you. Right now, I'm really active on my Onlyfans, so you can text me there. And whatever question you have, I'll be there. I take a little bit to answer just because of the messages I get. But I always reply. It doesn't matter if it's like in 3 or 4 days. I always do it. Sometimes I just travel. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm going to be reading your questions. And next time I'll do whatever you guys or girls, whatever say. So yeah. This is awkward because I don't know what to. I'm not screaming as usual. Like on the. Should I get closer? I also got my boobs done. Bye bye, girls.